someone literally tell me why a lot of these cheapo companies that have like the have like first aid kits in the pre-made bags, they count every bandage as a separate thing. Can we quit that? Can we? Because, bruh, no, no, that's not cool. That's like me having like, I don't know, a survival knife. It was like a, clip, belt clip or whatever, which should never be on knives, personally. Um, a bottle opener because everything has a bottle openers apparently. Can we? I do you know how that started? Right, the bayonet. The bayonet. Okay, there was a bayonet. I don't know if the soldiers liked it or not, but it had like a little bottle opener thing on it. That's why. By the way, a little history for y'all. But yeah, that's like me counting. Okay, the knife as one, the belt clip as a second piece, and the bottle opener on it as a third piece. I love cheap pre-made kits. I do. One, because I know how to kit bash them and use them effectively. But two, like, even I'm like, I mean, if it's 10 bandages that are the same size, count that as one piece. Count the bandages as one piece. Literally, I could probably go on. Let me go on Amazon real quick. Wait, where's Amazon on my phone? Oh, it's on. Where is it? Of course, it'll be on that one. Let me look up cheap survival kits. I guarantee you, these are all the same, except maybe on, except on the Wait, does this one even come with a knife? Wow, this one does not. Wow. Okay, so yeah. Wow, the only difference is the knife and like the color of the thing on the hammer, little hatchet thing. I still haven't decided what I want to do with that, by the way. Okay, here's one that, 282 pieces. Okay? 282 pieces. You know what I bet? All of those bandages are counted as one piece each. Bet. Let's look. Let's freaking look. Okay, it comes with one of those actually good cheapo flashlights. Universally, everyone likes those. This it seems like it comes like that little flashlight. Yeah, everyone likes those. Okay, so let's count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know what I bet. Also, they count. Okay, this little cheapo. That right there, the critical tool. I bet they count each one of those as a port too. Let's go back. Essential first aid. Ice pack, which yeah. I don't even know. Is that blue thing right there supposed to be... I'll see what it is. Okay, so let's see. How many bandages are in here? Like, really? And I don't like... Wow, that dude's pack is small then. If that's half of that. I want to see what exactly is in this kit and how many they count of it. Wow, organization is not one of the things. Anyway, AI generated from the text of customer reviews. Can we quit with the AI generated bullcrap? Let's see. Honestly, I'd rather. Ooh. Sorry, I just got. I got distracted by this. Wait, read this. I just got distracted by that. But yeah, that'll be a nice. I bet you the Rhino Rescue is the same bullcrap. Fully stock, EMT back, professional, blah 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 blah. Okay. But yeah, I bet that they count each. No, I'm not kidding about this. The little credit card tool, which I could probably get. Wait, no, I can't because I don't remember what it is. What do I do? I don't know. But yeah, one of those little the credit card tools are the 10 and 1, which honestly, I mean, I guess you could use the little lanyard hole to get up a 10 peg, a small enough 10 peg, but that's about it. I bet they count every. You know what? I bet the 4 position wrench, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 position wrench, 1, 2. Right? You know? I bet you that. I bet you 6 of the pieces is just those 2, the 4 and the 2 position wrench. Bet you. Which is stupid. Because if it's on 1 cord or 1 knife, don't count it as different pieces. Be counted as 1. Bandages should be counted as 1. Like, I know, and I don't have a. Yeah, I know it's like whatever pieces for like a pack of bandages, or a box of bandages anyway. Not a pack. I mean, they do come in a pack too, but whatever. But yeah. But still, like, I say if you're doing 200, blah, 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 just count the bandages as 1. Just count the bandages as 1. That is the basic thing of this. Right? They count every single. I bet you they also count every single one of the Q-tips. Which, let's get rid of. I'm not going to use it for application. I'm going to use it to clean the ears. But, yeah, no, that's me. Right? Seriously, it's stupid as crap. It's just stupid as crap. And, right. Especially if, like, if it, I mean, I kind of get it, but, why? Why? Right? No, I don't have. Oh, do I? No, I don't. Because I forgot on my survival. I didn't put one of the cheapo credit card tools on there, since it already had a. Since it already has a saw, has a knife and all that. Unless it's over. I think I know what it is. Let me look at it real quick. Actually, that would take way too long to find, and it's not what I thought it was. Probably in prepping room. No, God knows me. It's in prepping room. But yeah. Why must... Can we just quit doing that too? Can we quit a couple things? Can we quit these, bottle openers on everything? Because yes, we're going to find a bottle of freaking beer, or root beer or whatever, in the forest. There's going to be a bar in the forest. Let's just get real here. Right? Is that the perfect scenario for that application? The water bottle holders, I bet they could probably actually fit that, but I mean, I get the point. You know, if you're hiking, you're gonna need some water, and you don't want to have to put it on your pack or whatever. You know, it's nothing for me because I guarantee you all the hiking packs I do have, which is like 2, actually maybe 3 actually, because I have a day pack, so that's kind of a hiking pack. Of course, that one doesn't have a thing. But the Amazon Basics, which will be used as my everything one. I want to hike, hiking bag. I want to just travel and say screw it. That. I have lived out of a suitcase before. So living out of a hiking bag is nothing to me. So, why? Why do that? Why? It's like, okay, so it's like me, okay, it's Fill Rod, right? It's like me calling it 1 part, 2 piece, and the thing that's on it to protect it from 3 pieces. It's stupid, and it should stop!